Habibi, come to Nandi Hills. हेलो गाइस, फिर से एक बार स्वागत है हमारे अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे ट्रैवल स्ट्रीट में सिद्धू साउंड के फिर से एक बार स्वागत कर रहा हूँ। तो लास्ट व्लॉग हमारा था शिवन समुद्रा, बट दिस टाइम वी आर गोइंग विथ अगेन दिस इज द लास्ट व्लॉग इन विच Ashok will be there. So we are planning a trip around Bangalore and like some of the places which are famous in Bangalore, and we bought some like rented out some scooties and we are going to Nandi Hills and another 2-3 places. So we have this Sandeep Toran with us.
Chalo bhai, chalo.
And this is also Happy Janmashtami guys. And this is Badri Narayana and another one guy is there, and also we have our free paid post photographer with us, that is Anusaya, and she's coming with us. Free paid, no? Free paid. Yeah. No, what we say that?
लाद दूंगा।
अबे क्या हो रहा है सुबह सुबह मेरे? It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning.
No sleep.
So no sleep.
सोने नहीं दिया यार तुम लोगों ने।
So
हाइकिंग ये दिखा ना?
दिखा भाई दिखा।
Hiking is my happy place, right?
That's Anand.
Hi.
चलो guys.
Anand, but we can't.
So guys, we are getting late. See you at night.
कर दी क्या? Bye guys. This is Anusaya, our unpaid photographer. This is Ashok.
Rajput.
The international airport is so far away from the city.
Ride.
Everybody is feeling.
It's too cold here, guys.
Finally, we are going to Nandi Hills.
This family woke up very late and
It's vlog. Otherwise, I would have told somebody.
You can speak, man. No worries. I'm going to put as it is. No unfiltered.
It is in that our bike.
ये पर्स लाइए।
Man.
Anyone of you go and stand in the street. Because of we drop near the
If women queue,
counter, you take, we'll go park and we'll come back.
we see if men is line is queue, so that's why I will there. I think we should get description and this one is nice. See, we can climb like
We are finally at Nandi Hills and we just parked our vehicle and we took some tickets and like we are up. It's too cold.
Randomly करते बैठो मैं boomerang करूँगा।
Everybody is busy taking photos, so let's enjoy. So we are already at Nandi Hills and we are enjoying a lot, taking a lot of photos over here. And it's good. It's been more than 1.5 hours we are here. So we are here just enjoying the view. It's damn beautiful. There's nothing to view over here.
we can get down from here.
So how are you feeling after being coming with us?
Starting it was very freezing. I was unable to feel my own fingers.
Okay, then what you can
Why you want to feel your fingers? Rubbing on
Okay.
Why you want to feel your fingers? How to pay? How to cash? How to own mobile?
I am doing all things.
Reason the water into your eyebrows are frozen.
So it's damn beautiful.
Yes, your beard was also frozen.
Frozen beard.
Weather is like heaven.
Weather is like heaven.
The place is heaven.
Bhai गिरेगा ऐसे. So how are you feeling after coming? How are you feeling after coming to Nandi Hills, bro?
I didn't expect it would be so good, bro.
I saw your shoes.
This guy is
I expected it will be not that
Aesthetic.
good, but it is really.
Aesthetic.
It is worthy, man.
Shemedi. Habibi, come to Nandi Hills.
Yeah.
that is mine.
हमें यहाँ के
Already.
अरे उसको क्या बोलते हैं अरे
Yeah, I came here.
दुश्मन बोलते हैं कुछ बोलते हैं ना
Hey, Jimmy.
हम यहाँ के हैं
Badwash. Badwash means
guys, we are enjoying the view by sitting here. You can see it's a very awesome and unique. It's very cold. You can see us. We are wearing hoodie. Some of us are wearing sweaters and all. So please, if you are coming here, if you guys are coming here, well, in advance, well, be prepared with your jackets and all. Bye guys. See you in next video.
we left from Nandi Hills and we came to one of the temple which is located nearby only, which is around 7 kilometers from Nandi Hills, and its name is Bhoga Nandeeshwara. It's a Shiv temple which like its architecture is too good. Like I'm feeling like I'm in it's totally like Hampi, like whatever the temple we can see in Hampi, same type of architecture is over here, and like I go. Really the South Indian temples, like the temples which are there in South India, they have the best architecture. This temple is fully made up of stones. It's kind of different kind of stone which I'm seeing for the first time. And like I experienced of most of the temples, being in Bangalore, I'm experiencing like most of the temples. They have different kind of vibe here, and people here are like what we say. They will worship the God with very pure heart, and like they will follow some rituals and all the stuff. So this should be followed in the North Indian, because like as I can see, like in most of the North Indian temples which have been there, so they will allow people with the Western attire and all the stuff. But in South India, the people, the management of the temple, they won't allow people with any kind of like they should have proper dress code to come inside the temple. Like as I said, like we came from Nandi Hills, so here also from this temple we can see the view of Nandi Hills. I will show you just.
Opposite side. One game.
That's the Nandi Hills. So like after so many days, like I'm feeling so peaceful, like sitting at the tank near this temple. Like we are waiting from last 1 hour, and like it's so peaceful, like just to stay away from like daily routine and just to be try to make yourself positive in such kind of positive environment. Like many things like happens like with life, like which which changes the mentality of a person. But like I would have never thought like I would come at this place and would enjoy this view. I never thought that I would come in Bangalore and I will work, but sometimes whatever the God decides, it's really better for you. And like if I would have not came to Bangalore, I would have not came to this place, and it's too beautiful. I'm just enjoying the view and like enjoying the life. uh, we just completed with our lunch. We had lunch in the temple itself, the prasadam, and like it was a tomato bath, and like it was too good. It was too good, and like there was system where we have to take our plates, wash it, and food, and as well as you have to again wash this place and keep it. So it's kind of discipline which has been teach in such temples like here just behind me there are BMTC buses. They will start from I think Majestic of Bangalore, from where they will cover 2 to 3 temples per day. You can book it on KSRTC website. And now we are going towards Chikkabellapur and towards I think Adiyogi, and we'll be completing this trip today by going to Adiyogi, and we'll be by within 1.5 hour we'll reach within half an hour we'll reach there, and we'll complete we'll stay there for 1 or 2 hours, and we'll start again back to Bangalore. So I will tell you better I will tell you what things we are going to cover. So let's continue with the blog. We just reached the Adiyogi Isha Foundation, which is there in Chikkabellapur district of Bangalore, and I can see the beautiful statue of Lord Shiva. It is so good. I will show you. Wait, we didn't reach till that place till yet. This is not the Coimbatore one. This is the Coimbatore one, or this is different?
This is the
Like in Coimbatore we have same statue, no?
statue is same.
Yeah.
Same Isha Foundation.
Okay. And finally I'm at the Adiyogi, and here is the view. So finally we came back from a trip, and we are totally exhausted, everyone. We came back to Bangalore, we submitted our bikes, rented bikes, and we came again back with bus to our sweet home. So first of all, I didn't thought I will come to Bangalore, I will explore such places, good places. So sometimes God give you some it was totally different city, no friends, nothing, nobody. I was totally unknown to this city, but somehow I managed. And when God gives you challenges, he will also send some kind of angels to remove you out of problems. So I got some good friends over here. They have been the angels who are there to enjoy with me, and also we are enjoying a lot. And they've been the what we say, whenever this was totally unknown city for me, but they came in my life, and they sometimes we are enjoying our vibes with them, with each other. So as we say, every time somebody will come into your life and they will teach you a lesson, or they will do their duties and they will move off. So in that way only, these guys came, they are been in my life, and they are doing the duties to come with me to enjoy and have fun. And like also I got to learn so many things from these guys. And like one of our friend like Ashok, you must be watching this vlog lately, but thanks bro, like you will be leaving soon, but it was a good time being with you. And like I enjoyed a lot. So yeah, this guy we came, he's going now, so he came, did his role, and now he's going. So always trust the God plan, he always makes some good plans. So I'm talking so much more, leave it. So it was really a good trip, and we enjoyed a lot. And like I'm still planning with some other trips, and we will we'll soon see the vlogs on these YouTube channels. So don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon, as we are starting again. So it's like always, like as you guys supported in the initial days, again support me for this, and I think I will give the best content, and I will try to provide, like I will try to cover, like as I'm in Bangalore and in the South India, I will try to cover the all South Indian places, which are explored, and as well as with the fame for the thing which are famous, that is the unexplored things. And we will try to find some unexplored places, and I will put it on YouTube vlogs. So do like, share, comment, subscribe, and like don't forget to press the subscribe button, and hit the like button. So till that time, take care and travel safe.